to a new video. In today's video I am going to be using Naio's Urban Graffiti gel polishes, and the colours I'm using are Soft Cuddles, which is a really gorgeous nude, and Lemon and Lime, which is this gorgeous yellow. It's like a pastel-y yellow, almost like a neon pastel, but it's really, I love it. It's really nice. It is actually very pigmented, so when you paint it on, you only need like thin layers, you don't need thick layers, orbs. But anyway, moving on swiftly, we are painting out our nail bed shape. I don't know what it was, but I really struggled doing this today. I've actually done this set this morning because I haven't got a set of nails ready for today. But this, yeah, I don't know what it was. I really struggled with this set. Seemed like I was just faffing a lot. So all I'm doing at the minute is drawing on a smile line. Now this one looked really stupid, so I made it a little bit more elongated just to try and neaten up the smile line. And once I was sort of vaguely happy with it, I popped it in the lamp to cure. I wasn't too worried because we are going to go over with a second coat, so I thought I can kind of like neaten up that smile line. So once I'm happy, that is going to go into the lamp to cure for 30 seconds. Okay, so this was me applying the second coat. Again, lots more faffing, and I will actually speed it up. There we go. That's going to go into the lamp, and then like if you're still not happy with your smile line, which I for some reason I wasn't, I don't know, it just didn't want to, I don't know what it was. Anyway, I'm going to use the yellow to again mark out my nail bed. It's not as, actually, like looking at it now, it doesn't seem as bad, but while I was doing it, it just seemed like the worst smile line in the whole wide world. Maybe that's a little bit extreme, but that's, you know, that's what it felt like. So I'm just using the colour to, again, neaten up my smile line. I feel like I'm echoing. And then once I'm happy, that will go into the lamp to cure for 30 seconds. I love that yellow, it's so nice. And then as we done before with the Soft Cuddles, we're going to go in with a second coat of Lemon and Lime. And if you want to, like, you can use the brush here for the bottom bit. And again, now I'm just going to go in and neaten up the smile line. For the 100th millionth time. There we go. That's going to go in. And then more faffing. Equal amounts of faffing is going on. This is going to be an ombre. My ombre, I want the nude to be at the nail bed end, and then the colour I want to be at the free edge end. So I'm just sort of gently dabbing the colours next to each other. I don't like it to be flooded with gel polish. I like it to be quite thin if I'm doing an ombre. And then I'm just going to use my ombre brush, and I'm going to flick backwards and forwards, moving the brush up and down ever so slightly. I'm trying to just make sure I use the end of the brush, like the end bristles of the brush. You don't want to push down hard on the tip, otherwise like the gel polish, you'll lose some of the gel polish, and you don't want that. So that's the first coat. That doesn't have to be perfect, but it's the second coat you want to get as perfect as possible. And by making sure that your first coat is pretty good, then hopefully you shouldn't have too much to worry about with the second coat. So it doesn't have to be perfect, but try and get it as perfect as you can. Again, I'm going to speed this bit up because, you know, faffing. But I'm just going to repeat what I done on with the first coat, sorry. Okay, so I'm quite happy with that ombre, so that is going to go into my lamp. Between each coat, I do just wipe my ombre brush off between a lint-free wipe. I just give it a squeeze to get the colour out. Nothing too strenuous. And then the next two nails, I'm just going to do 2 coats of lemon and lime. Sometimes when I look at it, it looks a little bit green, but it's definitely more of a yellow than a green. This is the second coat, and again, make sure it's not thick because this colour is really pigmented, and if you make it too thick, it could potentially wrinkle in the lamp, and you don't want that to happen to your client. So this is my second coat, which is going to go into the lamp. And then I'm going to show you the most beautiful glitter. I've had this out on my desk for a few days because it's one that I want to use. It's really, really gorgeous. It's called Honeypot, and it's one of the newer glitters from Nail Sugar. I haven't used it for a little while though. I say it's one of the new. It is definitely one of the newer ones, but I'm not quite sure how new it is. It's probably not as new as I remember. But you've got little hearts, little blossoms, little butterflies. You've got hollow gold little hoops, which I really love. And then you've got like small and chunky iridescent glitter. It's just a really, really pretty mix. I'm putting the glitter into some uncured base coat. I'm just putting a little bit of base coat on my brush, and I'm just going to pick up like the bits that I want. So I kind of want the iridescent glitter to be sort of all over the place, and then in between the iridescent glitter I'm going to put the different shapes. So you can see we've already got the a little blossom, a couple of butterflies, and a hoop already. This is the iridescent glitter that I wanted all over the place. It looks really nice over that yellow. And I wanted to kind of get something of every colour on the nail. I don't think, did I get a green little blossom? I don't know. I know I got a pink one. I'm not sure. That, yeah, there we go. Oh, no, I got a pink blossom. Why didn't I get a green one? I don't know. Anyway, I'm going to quickly finish faffing. Okay, I think I'm pretty happy with that. So I am going to pop that into the lamp to cure, and that the glitter will obviously then be cured into the base coat, and it won't move when we come to top coat the nail. On this nail, I wanted to do a swoosh, so I've just put some, like, I wanted one of those green ones on the last nail. I've just put some base coat through the middle of the nail where I want the swoosh, and then I'm just going to place some of the little shapes in the glitter mix into a swoosh shape, and between the shapes I'm just adding some of that iridescent glitter just to sort of finish off the swoosh. I need to make sure I get some of those gold hollow circles in, because I really like those. Postman's here. I don't think I've got anything today. And the heart, you can see the heart better on that one. There we go. And then once I'm happy again, I will pop that into the lamp for a full cure. It's so pretty. Okay, right, before I top coat, what I'm doing is I'm going over the glittery nails with another layer of base coat, just to smooth the nail out, because I don't really want any lumps or bumps. I'm going to do the same on this one, and then I'm going to top coat them. And if I find after I've top coated them that they are like really lumpy bumpy, I will just go over the nail with a file, a little hand file or a buffer, just depending on how lumpy they are. And then I will give them like a buff or a file, and then I'll top coat them again just so that they're nice and smooth, because I like nice smooth nails. Right, I'm using the top coat and the ultra matte top coat, Urban Graffiti. So on 2 of the nails, these 2 nails are going to be matte finished. So when you matte top coat, you want to make sure that you cover the whole nail. Otherwise you'll end up with areas of the nails that are still shiny when you cure it, and you don't want that. I'm just making sure I've got the sides, so they're going to go in the lamp. And then once they have done, I'm going to do the glittery nails, which I'm going to keep shiny. If it didn't have the holographic circles on, you could do these matte finished, but because the circles are holographic, I feel like they need to stay shiny. There we go. I'm going to put those in the lamp as well. And then this is where I don't like this bit. I've picked out Amethyst Fall from Urban Graffiti, but I needed to be more pink. I think I've gone too dark with the purple. I think I needed a colour that matched the, I don't know, just one of the butterflies better. And then ultraviolet I thought would go really well, because I had a feeling in my head it would lighten the purple, but it actually didn't. So it kind of, but you know when you're looking at something and you're looking at the gel polish and you're thinking, no, I don't think that's going to go. And then I put a little bit on my palette and I was like, yeah, I don't think that's going to go. And then I was like, why am I doing this? It's not going to go. And yeah, and then I was like, next thing I know, I'm painting it on, and I still don't quite think it goes with the set. I'm talking and you can't see what I'm doing. I'm just doing a line. There we go, look. I'm just sort of outlining that smile line. And then I'm going to sugar the gorgeous glitter onto that purple. Right, by the way, I do have a referral, it's like a referral link for Naio Nails. So if you want to buy anything from Naio Nails, if you click on my referral link below, I don't have a code, but if you click on that link and then make a purchase, I do earn a small amount of commission. I think it's like 5%. So if you do decide that you want to make a purchase, I would really appreciate it if you would click the link and follow that link to make your purchase. Don't worry if you don't, it's not the end of the world. Just saying. And also I do have a discount code for Nail Sugar if you want to buy any kind of like confettis or glitters, or there's foils and other little bits and pieces. If you want to get 10% off that, you can use code NATMUG10 and you'll save a little bit discount. All the links and stuff I'll leave down below in the description box anyway, with any discount codes I have, just so you don't miss out. And then yeah, so this nail, I wanted to put something on the other nail just so that I felt like there were sort of 2 nails that sort of went together, if you know what I mean. Yeah, I don't know. I wish I'd just gone with a slightly lighter, I don't know, with a pink and not such a dark purple, but never mind, it's done. It doesn't look awful. I just felt like I've just went with the wrong colour. But there we are, it's done now. I'm just going to rearrange them, and then I'll give you a little bit of a quick close-up. There we are. I do kind of like them. I absolutely love the glitter, and I love the lemon and lime gel polish. It's beautiful. Actually, soft cuddles is nice too. But anyway, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please leave me a like. If you haven't already, do consider subscribing. And I will see you beautiful on Monday with another video. Have an amazing weekend. Love you all.